Alright, hey everybody, so I just bought a new graphics card to upgrade my computer, and right now, yeah, this is what my computer looks like. I mean, it's this is my scuffed computer, so it doesn't run as smoothly as I want it to, so I decided, I think I needed to upgrade, and I think the graphic card is where I wanted to upgrade first. So I went to Micro Center today and I bought this. It's what is it? EVGA GeForce GTX 1660. And I talked with the guy and he recommended me this graphic card, so pretty excited. I want to put it on and try it out on my stream. So let's go ahead and open it, yeah? Yeah, so I used my my savings money to get this video card. So I just want to to have a better how you say, better performance, better viewing quality, or was it better viewing? Better viewing, so when I play games, I just want to have a better experience for everybody, and just for me also, so. Alright, here we are. So I open it up. Alright. Okay. Alright, here we are, guys. Okay, wow, look at this. Alright, so here's the video card. I think put it right here, right? Okay. Look at that, guys. Damn, this shit's huge. Wow. Here we are. Okay, so we gotta take this out, right? Remove protective film before use. Okay. So I'm taking off the film. Okay, just removing the film. Man, look at that. Alright. So I just set this aside. Alright, so this is my old video card right here. This is a Radeon RX 460. So I'm pretty sure this video card is really old. that out. I'm gonna pull this out. All right. So yeah, here is my old video card. It's a what is it? XFX Radeon RX 460. So old one. So now out with the old and in with the new, right? Damn, this shit looks nice. All right. So I guess we gotta take this out. Okay. And then he said it's a 2 slot. So are we good? All right, let's put this big boy in. Should I break it? Fit? Does it even fit? All right, I guess it's in. So yeah, there we go. Here's my new video card. Hopefully, you know, you guys tune into my stream today and see how it performs. I hope it's gonna, you know, perform smoothly. Oh, it's this way. What the heck? Right, that's it. All right. All right, guys. I think that's it. I'm gonna test this baby out later tonight. So I will be on. I'll be streaming tonight playing Teamfight Tactics. You know, I will start stream at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I usually end around 2 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So yeah, just stop by my channel. Come say hi, you know, watch, or you know, just chill, watch some Teamfight Tactics. So yeah, I'll have the link in the description below also. So yeah. All right, see you guys.